Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a like, comment, message, or update on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest method to enable all notifications on the Instagram app for PC, so you can stay connected and up to date with everything happening in your feed. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer and log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them. This opens a menu with several options. From this menu, select App Info. This will take you to a new window where you can access more detailed settings for the Instagram app. Here, you'll want to find and click on Settings. This is where you control all your app preferences. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to open your notification controls. You'll now see a list of different types of notifications you can turn on or off. To make sure you receive all alerts, make sure every toggle is switched on. This includes notifications for likes, comments, new followers, direct messages, and more. If there's an option called Pause All or something similar, make sure it is turned off. Having this enabled will block all notifications, even if you've switched on individual options. Double-check each category to ensure you're set to receive alerts from everyone or from people you follow, depending on your preference. And that's it. With these quick steps, you've enabled all notifications for Instagram on your PC. Now, every time something important happens, whether it's a new message, a post from a friend, or a comment on your photo, you'll get notified right away. Thanks for following along.